everyone, my name is Jihan Fatima. Welcome back to our English class. Today we are going to learn about table manners. So, what are table manners? Table manners are the polite behaviors we use while eating. They show respect for the people we eat with and make our mealtime more pleasant and more comfortable. You might think table manners are only for fancy restaurants, right? But actually, they are useful in everyday life, at school, at home, or when eating with friends. Let's start with what we should do before eating. First, always wash your hands. Remember that clean hands show respect for hygiene. Next, when you sit at the table, sit up straight. Don't lean on the table or slump in your chair. If you're eating with others, don't start eating until everyone has been served. It's polite to wait for the host or the oldest person to begin first. And if you need something from across the table, don't reach over other people's plates. Say politely, "Could you please pass me the salt?" That's much better than stretching your arm across the table. And when you start eating, take small bites and chew with your mouth closed. Try not to make noises like slurping or munching loudly. Also, don't talk while your mouth is full. If someone asks you something, finish chewing, swallow, and then answer. Keep your elbows off the table while eating. Hold your fork and knife properly. The fork in your left hand and the knife in your right hand. If you drop your spoon or fork, don't panic. Just ask politely for another one instead of picking it up from the floor. If you need to leave the table for a moment, say, "Excuse me for a moment," rather than leaving silently. Another part of table manner is polite conversations. Meals are social moments, so it's nice to talk, but keep your topics light and friendly. You can talk about your day, your hobbies, or how delicious the food is. But don't talk about unpleasant topics like sickness or money while eating. That might make others lose their appetite. When you're done eating, place your fork and knife neatly on your plate. This is a polite signal that you're finished. If you're in a restaurant, thank the waiter and say, "Thank you, that was very nice." If you're at someone's home, you can say, "Thank you for the meal," or "The food was delicious." Don't leave the table immediately. Wait until everyone has finished eating or until the host invites you to leave. Okay, so to summarize today's lessons, always wash your hands before eating. That's important. Wait for the others before you start. Chew with your mouth closed. Talk politely and say thank you after the meal. Practicing this simple habit shows good manners and respect for others. I hope all of you can use these table manners at home, at school, and everywhere you eat. Okay, guys, that's all for today's lessons. Thank you for watching and see you in the next class. Goodbye.